So we had to do the assignment for comprehension, for word comprehension, and the understanding for students. And just kind of like my basic understanding of that was that, kids comprehend words. I felt that it kind of came naturally most of the time and just from kind of repetitive use. But through the course of this, I kind of figured out that there's a little more to that. With the in-depth part, I really like the jigsaw model. I know that it takes a lot of preparation from the teacher's end, but I feel that it's very effective, especially the way that it showed like the pods, that you're kind of giving them different material, even though it's kind of the same. And when they kind of come together, they can collaborate together and be able to share those ideas. And you can really see they're kind of bringing something that's similar, but a little bit different. So it allows them to have a little more comprehension and be able to speak about it. And each kid in that group becomes that expert like they talk about. In the practice part, using the graphic organizers, it really just helps the students focus on the text. I really like how that looks. I know some of the other parts in that practice were more just kind of on the word-based stuff, but I really like that graphic organizer. And as me being a future SPED teacher, I think that that's something I'll probably utilize even at the high school level. So my pretest was a little shaky. I think just my understanding of word comprehension, but on that post-test, I did a lot better after reading in depth about a lot of those comprehension pieces and understanding a lot of those things and where it comes from. I have a great new understanding of it, how it looks, how your really good students are going to be, how your really bad students are going to be, and how you can basically raise the bar for those top students and be able to help the ones that are struggling too. And then just some of the strategies that are based around doing those things. So I think I've got a really good grasp on the comprehension piece and how to utilize that in the classroom.